In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher error code 162. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up Steam. Some users have reported that this error can happen when their Steam profile name no longer matches the name that was originally linked to their Rockstar Games Social Club account. So to fix it, click on your username, click on the option View My Profile, click on Edit Profile and make sure that your current Steam name matches the same name you were using when you originally linked your Steam account to Rockstar Games or Social Club. Once you have checked and updated the name if necessary, save the changes, try launching the game again. If the error still appears, then second fix is to delete the Rockstar Games folder from your Documents directory. For that, search for Documents. Once it appears, launch it. Now here you're gonna find this Rockstar Games folder. You will need to delete it. This folder contains temporary files and corrupted settings that can sometimes cause error code 162. After deleting the folder, restart your PC and launch the game again so the files can be recreated automatically. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.